Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up broken link building with Ahrefs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. If you don't have an account, create one and pick the plan that suits your needs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tool. In the search bar, enter the URL of the website relevant to your niche. After the analysis of the site is complete, go to the Best by Links report. This report displays the most linked to pages on the site. Look for pages that have a significant number of backlinks but a 404 error. Take note of these broken pages, as they will be your target for link building. Next, conduct a search for websites that link to the broken pages. You can do this by clicking on the backlinks icon next to the broken pages URL. This action reveals all the sites that link to the now non-existent page. Create a list of these linking domains. Now, it's time to check if these domains are still active and relevant to your niche. Visit each domain and ensure it has content closely related to your broken page. Next, prepare a replacement page on your site that adds value and serves the same topic. When your page is ready, draft a personalized outreach email. In your email, kindly inform them that their link is broken. Suggest your newly created content as a relevant replacement. Make sure your email is concise, polite, and to the point. After you send out your outreach emails, keep track of your responses. Use a spreadsheet to document every link request and its outcome. Continue following up if you don't get a reply within a week or two. Once you start receiving positive responses, celebrate your newfound backlinks. Monitor the effectiveness of your new links over time. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience. By repeating this process, you can continuously grow your website's authority. With dedication and persistence, your broken link building will yield fruitful results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.